Hello, and welcome to Daily English Conversation.
Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're really happy you're here with us.
Today we have a very exciting and festive topic.
It's about one of the biggest celebrations of the year.
We're going to talk about New Year's Eve.
Yes, parties, countdowns, fireworks, and new beginnings.
This is perfect if you want to learn vocabulary for celebrating.
And for talking about your hopes and plans for the new year.
If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us create more content for you. Thank you.
Let's get started.
Only a few days until the big night. Let's celebrate.
Let's dive in.
So, Emma, do you have any plans for New Year's Eve?
I do. I'm going to a party at my friend's house.
That sounds fun. Will there be many people?
About 20 or 30, I think. Not too big.
That's a nice size for a party.
What about you, Ben? What are your plans?
I'm actually staying home this year.
Really? That's not like you.
I know, but I fancy a quiet night for a change.
Fancy? What does that mean in this context?
Fancy means to want or feel like doing something. Fancy.
I fancy a cup of tea. Would you like one?
Exactly. I fancy a relaxed evening at home.
That sounds lovely too. Sometimes quiet is nice.
I'll watch the fireworks on television and have some champagne.
Champagne? The classic New Year's drink.
You can't celebrate without champagne, can you?
It wouldn't feel like New Year's Eve without it.
Do you know why we drink champagne at New Year?
I think it started in France, didn't it?
Yes, champagne has been associated with celebrations for centuries.
The bubbles represent joy and festivity.
And the popping of the cork is like a mini celebration itself.
It's very dramatic. Pop. Everyone cheers.
What else will you do at your party?
We'll have music, dancing, lots of food.
Sounds like a proper celebration.
And of course, the countdown at midnight.
The countdown? That's the best part.
Countdown? Let's explain that word.
A countdown is when you count backwards to 0. COUNTDOWN.
The countdown to midnight begins. 10, 9, 8.
Everyone counting together is so exciting.
The anticipation builds with each number.
Anticipation? What does that mean?
Anticipation is the excited feeling of waiting for something. ANTICIPATION.
The anticipation before opening presents is almost unbearable.
Exactly. That feeling before midnight is amazing.
And then, Happy New Year!
Everyone cheers, hugs, and kisses.
It's such a joyful moment.
People often kiss at midnight, don't they?
Yes, it's tradition to kiss someone when the clock strikes 12.
The clock strikes 12? That's a nice expression.
It means exactly midnight, when the clock makes 12 sounds.
Cinderella had to leave before the clock struck 12.
A classic fairy tale reference.
Do you remember your best New Year's Eve ever?
That's a good question.
Take your time. Think about it.
I think it was 5 years ago in Edinburgh.
Edinburgh? For Hogmanay?
Hogmanay? What's Hogmanay?
Hogmanay is the Scottish word for New Year's Eve. Hogmanay.
Edinburgh's Hogmanay celebration is world famous.
Scotland has amazing New Year traditions.
They really do. The street party was incredible.
How many people were there?
Thousands! The whole city center was full of people.
That sounds overwhelming, but exciting.
It was both. There was live music, dancing, fireworks.
And it wasn't too cold?
It was freezing, but nobody cared.
The excitement keeps you warm.
Exactly. What about you? Your best New Year's Eve?
I think it was in London, watching the fireworks by the Thames.
The London fireworks are spectacular.
Spectacular? What does that mean?
Spectacular means extremely impressive or beautiful. Spectacular.
The fireworks display was absolutely spectacular.
London really knows how to put on a show.
The fireworks over Big Ben and the London Eye were magical.
Did you have a good spot to watch?
We arrived early and waited for hours.
That's dedication.
It was worth it. The view was perfect.
Let's talk about New Year's Eve traditions around the world.
Different countries have fascinating New Year traditions.
Really? Like what?
In Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight.
12 grapes? Why 12?
One grape for each stroke of the clock at midnight.
Stroke? What does stroke mean here?
A stroke is one sound from a bell or clock. Stroke.
The church bell struck 12 strokes at noon.
Each grape represents good luck for each month.
That's a lovely tradition. Is it easy to do?
It's harder than it sounds. You have to eat fast.
Racing to eat grapes while everyone's counting down.
Many people choke or can't finish in time.
That would be me for sure.
What about other countries?
In Denmark, people throw plates at their friends' doors.
Throw plates? That sounds aggressive.
It's a sign of friendship. More broken plates mean more friends.
That's so unusual. I've never heard of that.
Every culture has unique traditions.
In Japan, they ring temple bells 108 times.
108 times? That's very specific.
Each ring represents getting rid of a human desire or sin.
That's quite spiritual and meaningful.
It's called Joya no Kane.
What a beautiful way to cleanse the old year.
In Brazil, people wear white clothes for good luck.
White? Any particular reason?
White represents peace and new beginnings.
That makes sense. A fresh start.
And many people jump over 7 waves at the beach.
Jump over waves? At midnight?
Yes, each wave represents a wish for the new year.
That sounds fun, but cold.
Brazil is warm at New Year. It's their summer.
Oh, right. The southern hemisphere.
What traditions do we have in the UK?
Well, Auld Lang Syne is a big one.
Auld Lang Syne? What does that mean?
It's a Scottish song that means old long ago or times gone by.
We sing it at midnight while holding hands.
Everyone crosses their arms and holds hands in a circle.
And nobody really knows the words.
So true. Everyone just mumbles after the first line.
Should old acquaintance be forgot?
And then, mumble, mumble, mumble.
It's a tradition anyway.
First footing is another tradition.
First footing? What's that?
The first person to enter your house after midnight is the first foot.
And they should bring gifts, right?
Traditionally, a tall, dark-haired man brings coal, bread, and whiskey.
Coal for warmth, bread for food, whiskey for celebration.
It's supposed to bring good luck for the year.
That's a lovely tradition. Very symbolic.
Symbolic? What does that mean?
Symbolic means representing something else, having deeper meaning. Symbolic.
The dove is symbolic of peace.
Many New Year traditions are deeply symbolic.
They represent our hopes for the coming year.
Let's talk about New Year's resolutions.
Ah, yes, the promises we make to ourselves.
Do you make New Year's resolutions, Ben?
I try to, but I'm not great at keeping them.
Keeping them? What does that mean?
Keeping a resolution means continuing to do what you promised. Keeping.
I made a resolution to exercise more, but I didn't keep it.
That's exactly what happens to most people.
What resolutions have you made in the past?
The usual ones. Eat healthier, exercise more, save money.
Those are very common resolutions.
I think that's why they're hard to keep.
Why's that?
They're too vague, not specific enough.
Vague? What does vague mean?
Vague means not clear or precise. Vague.
His instructions were too vague. I didn't understand.
Exercise more could mean anything.
You need specific goals, like go to the gym twice a week.
Exactly. That's measurable and achievable.
Achievable? What does achievable mean?
Achievable means possible to accomplish. Achievable.
Set achievable goals so you don't get discouraged.
Small, achievable goals are better than huge, vague ones.
What resolution are you making this year?
I want to learn to cook 5 new dishes.
That's specific. Any particular dishes?
Maybe some Italian recipes. Pasta, risotto, that kind of thing.
That's a lovely resolution. Delicious, too.
What about you, Emma? Any resolutions?
I want to read more books this year.
That's nice. How many books?
My goal is 1 book per month, 12 books in total.
That's achievable and specific. Good job.
Let's see if I actually do it.
The key is to track your progress.
Track? What does track mean here?
Track means to monitor or follow over time. Track.
I track my spending using an app on my phone.
If you track your reading, you'll see your progress.
That's motivating. I'll try that.
Why do you think so many resolutions fail?
I think people are too ambitious at the start.
Ambitious? What does ambitious mean?
Ambitious means wanting to achieve a lot, having big goals. Ambitious.
She's very ambitious. She wants to become CEO.
Being ambitious is good, but at New Year, people overdo it.
They promise to change everything at once.
New diet, new exercise routine, new hobby, save money.
And by February, they've given up on all of it.
It's better to focus on 1 or 2 realistic changes.
Realistic? What does that mean?
Realistic means practical and possible to achieve. Realistic.
Be realistic about what you can accomplish in 1 month.
A realistic resolution is more likely to succeed.
I agree. Less is more when it comes to resolutions.
Some people don't make resolutions at all.
That's fine too. Not everyone needs a formal promise.
Some people prefer to set goals throughout the year.
Whatever works for you is the right approach.
Let's talk about the day after New Year's Eve.
New Year's Day, January 1st.
How do you usually spend New Year's Day?
Usually recovering from the night before.
Recovering? What does recovering mean?
Recovering means getting better after an illness or difficult experience. Recovering.
I'm still recovering from running that marathon.
After a party, you need recovery time.
Many people have a hangover on New Year's Day.
Hangover? What's a hangover?
A hangover is the sick feeling you have after drinking too much alcohol. Hangover.
He had a terrible hangover and stayed in bed all day.
New Year's Day and hangovers go together.
That's why a big breakfast helps.
A fry-up? The classic hangover cure?
Exactly. Bacon, eggs, sausages, beans, toast.
I'm not sure it's healthy, but it feels good.
It's tradition at this point.
Do you watch anything special on New Year's Day?
There's usually football on television.
And lots of films. People stay home and relax.
It's a good day for doing nothing.
Absolutely. You've earned a rest after celebrating.
Many people also go for a New Year's Day walk.
A walk? To clear the head?
Exactly. Fresh air and exercise to start the year right.
Even if you're feeling a bit rough.
Rough. What does rough mean here?
Rough means slightly unwell or tired. Rough.
I'm feeling a bit rough this morning after last night.
That describes many people on January 1st.
Despite feeling rough, people try to be positive.
It's a new year, after all. A fresh start.
Full of possibilities and hope.
That's the beauty of New Year.
A chance to start fresh and look forward with optimism.
I think that's why we love it so much.
The idea that anything is possible in the new year.
Old mistakes can be left behind.
and new adventures are waiting ahead.
It's a time for hope and celebration.
Let's review what we've learned today.
Let's review the vocabulary from today's conversation.
We had so many useful words for celebrations.
Our first word is countdown.
Countdown. COUNTDOWN. Counting backwards to 0.
The countdown to midnight is the most exciting part.
10, 9, 8. Happy New Year!
Our next word is anticipation.
Anticipation. ANTICIPATION. The excited feeling of waiting for something.
The anticipation before the countdown is incredible.
Everyone feels that excitement together.
Our next word is spectacular.
Spectacular. SPECTACULAR. Extremely impressive or beautiful.
The fireworks display was absolutely spectacular.
London and Sydney have spectacular celebrations.
Our next word is resolution.
Resolution. RESOLUTION. A promise you make to improve yourself.
My New Year's resolution is to learn a new language.
Make your resolutions specific and achievable.
Our next word is vague.
Vague. VAGUE. Not clear or specific.
Don't make vague resolutions. Be precise.
Vague goals are hard to achieve.
And our last word is hangover.
Hangover. HANGOVER. The sick feeling after drinking too much.
Many people have hangovers on New Year's Day.
A good breakfast can help.
These words will help you talk about New Year celebrations.
What a wonderful conversation about New Year's Eve.
It really was. I'm so excited for the celebrations now.
Me too, even though I'm staying home.
We talked about how people celebrate around the world.
Grapes in Spain, plates in Denmark, bells in Japan.
We discussed British traditions too.
Old Lang Syne, first footing, and of course, fireworks.
We talked about making New Year's resolutions.
Keep them specific, realistic, and achievable.
And we discussed recovering on New Year's Day.
Big breakfasts and long walks.
New Year is about celebrating and looking forward.
To new beginnings and fresh starts.
Whatever this year brings, we wish you all the best.
May all your hopes and dreams come true.
Now let's hear from our viewers.
I can't wait.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
I love hearing about celebrations around the world.
Today's question is, how do you celebrate New Year's Eve? Do you have any special traditions?
For example, I celebrate with my family. We eat a big dinner and watch fireworks on TV.
Or, I go to a party with friends. We dance all night and count down to midnight together.
Tell us about your New Year plans.
Do you make resolutions? What are they?
What's your favorite New Year's Eve memory?
How is New Year celebrated in your country?
Share your answers in the comments below.
We love learning about traditions from around the world.
Your stories make our community so special.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
We really appreciate you being here with us.
If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
We hope you have an amazing New Year's Eve.
Whether you're at a party or at home, enjoy it.
Celebrate safely and make wonderful memories.
And don't forget to count down at midnight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone! See you next year!
Bye-bye. Cheers to a fantastic year ahead.